So today we're going to fix up this leveling screw on the 3050 and show you the problem. When you turn this, it's supposed to adjust the height of your lift arm up and down, but it's just turning and turning and nothing's happening. There's a little gear down in here, spins a gear on this arm, so the cogs must be stripped. So we'll have to strip it down. We'll take out this pin here and let the left arm drop, unscrew this from the cast up here, and then take this apart. We've got a little split pin down in here, and try and get this pin out and get this big pin across. That big pin out, which allows this to flip. And this, if you have a 50 series John Deere, is how you swap from keeping your lift arms fixed to letting them float. This big pin goes through here, goes through this slotted hole, and this pin here sits against this. It keeps it solid. If you take this pin out, then it lets it float up and down. But you need to screw this arm out of the casting. We'll punch this little roll pin out of here. Leave this piece hanging here, and just take little gear. This will span the whole way down. There we go. Now we just have to strip this down. So now we just need to take out this pin, and then this shaft with the gear on the end will slide out that way. So here we have the parts. Now there's a bit of wear on this little boy at the shoulder here. Not much wear in the teeth, but a wee bit. You can see it kind of up the top there. Bit of wear on the teeth, bit of wear on the shoulder. So hopefully this little boy will sort that. The teeth on this gear aren't too bad, but they are worn a bit. I actually had to get this screw for the other side, and it doesn't actually need these teeth because that is adjusted with a handle that works on this rope and through here. So we're going to put this now on the right hand side along with the new 5 gear. Move this to the other side because, as I say, it doesn't need these teeth at all, so this will be fine with the other side. So now is the moment of truth. Turn this handle. And there we go. Now we can adjust our leveling screw from the cab. So there is the leveling screw. It used to be on this side. As you see, it was rather bent. So we replaced it. Originally it's just round, it doesn't need any gears because it's adjusted by this. But you can't actually get this one anymore. They come with the gears, or in here, same both sides. So it was on here. Obviously, as I said, don't need the gears. So it is now on this side. New gears on this shaft, new gears on this little drive shaft. This one works. And this one works. Now they're both working. So, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. See you next time.